Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to clone apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go like this and you have to navigate to the app library. So you have to do like this. So this is the app library. So we have two methods. Either if we can search for the app that you wanted to do it, or from here you can select any app. So I have a couple of apps here. So what I'm trying to do is I just wanted to keep the Instagram as a clone. So what I need to do is I just need to go over here, press and hold, and all I have to do is just go over here like this, and you have to navigate to over here to anywhere else. You can see we have to keep it over here like this, so that right now, as you can see, if you tap on over here, you can see I'm having an Instagram. And if you want me to create two Instagram, from here I'm just going to move a little bit more. So I'm just going to press and hold, then I'm just going to do like this. So as you can see, it just keeps moving from the over here like this, and this is where my Instagram is. So I'm just going to keep it over here. And right now, as you can see, if I tap over here after when apps starts jiggling, you have to tap over here like this, so it stop it. And right now, as you can see, I'm having Instagram here, and also I'm having an Instagram. So this is how we can clone an app on, or you can do it on your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.